Welcome in today's video. You will be learning 6 powerful Onshape tips that will save your hours of work whether you're a beginner or already designing complex parts. These shortcuts and tricks will seriously boost your design. Let's get started. Okay, so let's see the first tip. Use the S shortcut for speed. So instead of wasting time searching through menus, just hit S key. The shortcut bar pop-ups right where your mouse is, showing the most useful tools like line, rectangle, circle, and dimension. You can even customize it with your favorite will snap right to the front view, or if you hit shift plus 4 you will looking for the right side, and for the shift plus 5 it takes you to top view, and for the shift plus 7 it gives you a clean isometric view. Just one tab you exactly where you need to be, no dragging or rotating around endlessly. Alright, let's see tip 4. Instead of manually zooming and panning, let Onshape do the work. Select any face, edge or part, then press Shift plus Z. Onshape instantly zooms in and center it on your screens. It is the fastest way to lock in on the small details. Let's see tip 5. Finally, clean your workspace with one key by pressing P. And all default planes like top, front, right instantly toggles on or off. No need to hide them one by one. It is the quickest way to declutter while sketching or modeling. Alright, let's see tip 6. It will be like sometimes you want to reuse a design without starting from scratch in Onshape. So you can copy your document in different ways by clicking right side of the Onshape logo and choosing the copy document from there. Or even you can create version depending on what you need. This make it easy to experiment with new ideas while keeping your original design safe. And that's it. 6 powerful Onshape tips to boost your speed and save time. Which one are you going to use first? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more Onshape tips and tricks. Thank you.